Hello and welcome to Programming with Berns. At Programming with Berns, we demystify the art of coding. This channel is dedicated at elevating your programming skills through real-world, practice-based learning. Whether you are a beginner starting your journey in coding, or you are an experienced developer looking for challenges, this channel is for you. My name is Bernard Laurent. You can call me Berns. With over a decade of experience in software design and development, my aim is to make programming accessible, enjoyable, and practical to everyone. You can expect the following: step-by-step tutorial on building real-world applications. We go from the program description to the design and to the program itself. You will also learn some practical tips and strategies to enhance your coding skill, as well as get in-depth explanation on concepts as they come along. If you are ready to start building real-world applications, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a thing. Welcome and see you around.